Hi guys, Lee here with your free market update. I thought it was a good idea to update you on our pro trading system, swing trading trades and results that have been taking place over this last month or so. We dive into our testing application here and our results application, our chart package here where we can see the signals and the results. And what we want to do is look at this area over here. This is our watch list area. This is where it has our major currency pairs and other cross currency pairs, whether we got a long signal or a short signal or short trend, how many days or weeks or months since the signal, depending on your strategy. We're looking at the swing trading daily charts here. And then the important thing is the profit, the P&L in pips. And you can see if it's green, it's making that amount of pips profit. If it's red, it's losing that amount of pips profit. And as I just unclick this pencil, you can see that it's updating itself in real time and working quite nicely as it starts to click through. It's quite slow this morning, but let's just go through some of the trades, the swing trades that have taken place, and it's really been all about the yen pairs. We had a long signal on the dollar yen. Okay, nice long signal. It's up 412 pips profit. So this move has been really nice. 412 pips has been a very nice trade indeed. The euro yen coming at 312 pips profit. Aussie yen 527 pips profit, and these are changing all the time, of course, by a few points because this is live data. Pound Japanese yen up 578 pips. That's been my favorite market trade here. FX trade was the pound Japanese yen as it broke out of its range. CAD yen was another one that's been really strong. So it's all been about the yen pairs on our momentum based system here. It's been very nice trading, and that's where our money's been made, really, September and October. The market I'm looking at now that could have a decent size move is sterling. So the British pound list here, it's nice, and we've got some longs and we've got some shorts. So we've got pound Aussie that's short, that's making 405 pips in 20 days. Pound US dollar, 160 pips profit since its signal in 10 days. And pound New Zealand's been down. So we've had these commodity currencies, the pound Aussie, pound New Zealand, that have been in a downtrend, but the rest of them have been in an up move because it says long trend. But I think, what's key when we look at this radar with our pro trading system, what's key is that if we can get all of them working together, you can see the sort of results you get. So I'm looking to see whether the pound sterling here, the pound New Zealand and the pound Aussie comes back in line and gives us some green candlesticks. If we do, this will turn to a 1 for a buy signal. This will turn to 1 and turn green here for a buy signal. So very impressive results, guys. Some fantastic trades. And the dollar yen was in a downtrend. Red signals to short, red signals to short, and then we shift to an uptrend and got some nice trades going on here, and then this big breakout has given us a very nice 411 pips. You only need a couple of these every month to can really bring in some profits. We've actually hit the profit target of 114.70, and now it's just starting to come away from this area, and it's a good area for our students now to bank some of these profits. 411 pips this month has been absolutely fantastic. All right, guys, so that's an update. Looking for the pound to start picking up and maybe turn and all get some greens on the board. And we'll see where we are soon on that. But you can see very impressive trading results on our momentum pro trading system. This is what you get on our pro trader program. Make sure you speak to the office, speak to Chris in the office, and he will guide you through how you can get hold of the pro trading system and how you can use it to trade, swing trade with momentum. Take care. Bye-bye.